Here's a 2016 Honda Odyssey. This is the ultimate people mover with extreme flexibility. There's room for up to 8 people in this smart, family-friendly, and aerodynamic machine. Carpooling up to 5 child seats with latch seating in all second and third row seats shows how multi-talented and adept this unique minivan really is. Whether hauling people or cargo, you'll do so safely with Vehicle Stability Assist with traction control and a rear-view camera. Add to the mix iMid with a high-resolution screen, Bluetooth, the Eco Assist system, and a power-adjustable driver's seat, and relish how much simpler this minivan can make your life.
The hard disk drive media storage keeps pace with your entertainment and information demands. The backup camera gives you a clear picture of what's behind you. Select the perfect temperature with the climate control.
Get your to-do list completed much more efficiently with this outstanding Odyssey. Come in for a test drive.
This is just one of the dozens of great values you'll find here at the Rick Case Honda Pre-Owned Superstore on I-75 and Griffin Road.